Okay, editing Emily is coming at you live. My camera died, which I talk about in my beginning clip, but my first clip introducing what this video is doesn't show up. So this is my November book of the month unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So my camera just randomly cut off, so hopefully I can make it through this video without that happening again. I don't understand what happened. But like I said, I got 3 books this month. Very excited about them. 2 of them are November picks. I just couldn't decide which one to get, so I got both. And then another one I saw was Reese Witherspoon's, one of her book club picks, so I went ahead and picked that up because I don't really keep up with that. That's hard. I struggle with book clubs and like I need to read this book by a certain date because what if I'm not in the mood for the book? But it looked like a good book, so I picked it up. So I do have a book of the month code in my description box, and you can get your first box for $10, and the book box is normally $14.99 for 1 book, and then you can get up to 2 additional add-ons each month, and you get a bookmark every month, and this one says leave me to my books. I really like these. I do hoard these so that I will have bookmarks when I get my teaching job, so I can have those for the students, but I digress. You get a bookmark every month, which you can use for your book that you buy. So my 2 November picks that I picked, first is This Time Next Year by Sophie Cousins, I think is how you say that. Looks like Cousins to me. It says, how many chances to meet your perfect match? Super cute cover. I like the colors. It has pink little stars on it. Very cute. The synopsis says, their lives began together, but their worlds couldn't be more different. After years of misconnections, they're about to meet again. Minnie Cooper knows 2 things with certainty, that her New Year's birthday is unlucky and that it's all because of Quinn Hamilton, a man she's never met. Their mothers gave birth to them at the same hospital just after midnight on New Year's Day, but Quinn was given the cash prize for being the first baby born in London in 1990. And the name Minnie was meant to have as well. With luck like that, it's no wonder each of her birthdays has been more of a disaster than the one before. When Minnie unexpectedly runs into Quinn at a New Year's party on their mutual 30th birthday, she sees only more evidence that fortune has continued to favor him. The gorgeous, charming business owner truly seems to have it all, while Minnie's on the brink of losing her pie-making company and her home. But if Quinn and Minnie are from different worlds, why do they keep bumping into each other? And why is it that each fraught encounter leaves them both wanting more? A moving, joyful love story, This Time Next Year, explores the way fate leads us to the people we least expect, no matter what the odds. This, I'm just ready for it. I can already tell I'm gonna be in my feels. Yes, okay, so super excited about this one. Love a good romance, so we're ready for that. Then we have a thriller. This is Pretty Little Wife by Darby Kane, and it says there's more than one way to end a marriage. The synopsis says, shouldn't a dead husband stay dead? Lila Ridgefield lives in an idyllic college town, but not everything is what it seems. Lila isn't what she seems. A student vanished months ago. Now Lila's husband Aaron is also missing. At first, these cases are treated as horrible coincidences until it's discovered that the student is really the 3rd of 3 unexplained disappearances over the last few years. The police are desperate to find the connection, if there even is one. Little do they know, they may be stumbling over only part of the truth. With the small town in an uproar, everyone is worried about the whereabouts of the beloved high school teacher, everyone except his wife. Lila is more confused because she was the last person to see her husband's body and now it's gone. That also sounds very good. So super excited about that one. And then this one is the one that I saw Reese Witherspoon talk about. I think this was going to be their November one, maybe October, I'm not really sure. But it's called Group, How One Therapist and a Circle of Strangers Saved My Life by Christy Tate. This is a memoir. And I'm really excited about this one. It just talks about group and how group therapy helped her. I'm not going to read the synopsis because it's kind of a little long. But I'm excited about this to see what comes about in this. and how the dynamic of group therapy. I think that's an interesting dynamic to go through together. So I'm excited to read that one as well whenever I can get to it. Okay, so that's all for this month's unboxing. I'm really excited about all 3 of those books, and hopefully I can get to them soon. I need to get my act together on reading my book of the month books, because I've been getting 3 books quite often, and like I'm reading right now The Simple Wild by K.A. Tucker, which is not a book of the month book. I mean, it's really good, but like I need to get my act together with book of the month. But anyway, I'm a book hoarder, so it's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will talk to you guys in my next one, and yeah, so have a good day. Bye.